Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to our science class. Children, in our previous video, we had learnt about the structure of human heart. Today we will learn about the working of human heart. My dear children, the blood is circulated in the human body by regular contraction and relaxation of the heart. Let us understand the working of human heart in detail. The deoxygenated or carbon dioxide rich blood collected from all parts of the body enters the right chamber of the heart called the right atrium or auricle through superior and inferior vena cava, or we can say through main vein. When the right atrium contracts, the deoxygenated blood is pushed into the right ventricle through open tricuspid valve. Remember children, when the ventricles are full, the tricuspid valve closes. When the right ventricle contracts, the deoxygenated blood leaves the right ventricle through pulmonary valve into pulmonary artery. Remember children, pulmonary artery carries deoxygenated blood to the lungs. In the lungs, the deoxygenated blood gives out carbon dioxide and absorbs fresh oxygen from the air we breathe in. Now, the oxygenated blood from the lungs come back to the left auricle or atrium of the heart through pulmonary vein. When the left auricle contracts, the blood flows from the left atrium into the left ventricle through the open bicuspid valve. Remember children, when left ventricle becomes full, the bicuspid valve, or we can say mitral valve, closes. When the left ventricle contracts, the oxygenated blood leaves the left ventricle through the aortic valve into the main artery called aorta. Remember children, valves allow the blood to flow in one direction only, that is from auricles to the ventricles. The aorta then distributes the oxygenated blood to various parts of the body. One more point to remember is that the pulmonary artery is the only artery which transports deoxygenated blood, and the pulmonary vein is the only vein which transports oxygenated blood. As the blood passes from arteries to capillaries, oxygen and other nutrients are delivered to the body cells, and the carbon dioxide and other waste are picked up by the blood. This carbon dioxide rich blood goes back to the right auricle, and in this way the heart functions continuously. I hope children, now you know how blood is circulated in our heart. That's all in this video. Thank you.